welcome back to Jankowski Speed and Off-Road. And I got a little tech tip for you. If you're building a custom bike or doing something with a car, and you're doing your hoses and stuff, and worm clamps just look dumb, or say if you have a car that you're restoring to factory and you have like tower clamps, and sometimes these don't seal up very well. I'm going to show you a way to either make it so this looks good and doesn't leak, or make it look like there's no clamps on it at all, but it's still being clamped. Like, check this out. This tank I made, I put one of these fill lines on here, and notice you really don't see a clamp on it. I mean, you can see kind of some wire here, but there's no leak, nothing. So this is the tool I have. It's like a wire clamp tool. This one's a cheap one that you can get on Amazon. I think it's like 29 bucks. I can put a link in the description. And some wire here too. So I'll make up one for you. I just have a barbed fitting in a hose. And these are, when you use a barbed fitting, they work pretty well on their own. But what we're gonna do is, I'll grab probably 1.5 foot of wire here. This is probably, I'm not even sure what size line that is. But here, actually, I'll bring you down here and then you can watch it. All right, so this is stainless wire. And I don't remember the size of it. I'll put it in the link here in the description. We're just going to bend it in half like that. And then we're going to take our hose and we're going to run both of these through the loop. And you can stop there, but I like to do another run around here. Like so. Wrap the other one around. And I'm trying not to cross over the other ones, just so it looks nicer. We're going to tighten it up a little bit here. Okay. So we're not crossed over on any of them. And then what you're going to do is take this tool, and it has kind of a opening on the end. We're going to put that in that loop that we made. Just like that. And then you're going to wrap the wire around this top portion here. And then I like to twist them together. And then what you do is you start tightening down this wing nut on top. And it starts drawing it all together here, tightening it all down. Try to keep it straight here. You can see these are starting to tighten down into the rubber. So now that we got that tight, we're gonna flip this over like so. And I kind of got it crooked here. We're gonna cut off the excess here. We'll cut off a little more like that. And then we will take and push it down, and there you got a wire clamp that's not going to leak on you, and it's really low profile. And this is the wrong size clamp, but if you have a tower clamp, and sometimes you can't get the reproduction ones to seal up, you can just put it right over the top of it. Obviously this is for like radiator hose, this is like fuel line, but you can put it over the top of it and tighten it down. It'll look like factory with the tower clamp, but this will be under it. And obviously you're gonna have to take and cut this to take it off. but it's not that big of a deal. And it's easy enough to make. It's a little extra work than worm clamps. Like down here, I got a couple of worm clamps. Look at how big and bulky and terrible that looks. And just look at how nice and clean that looks. And it's been on there for a while now, and I haven't had any issues with it leaking. And these can take pretty good pressure, and you can use them on heater hoses, radiator hoses, and all that stuff. And yeah, sorry, there's a little wiring. I'm working on the wiring on this right now. So what do you think? That's a handy little tool. And you do need a little bit of room to work with it. I mean, obviously the length of it, what is this, probably 3-4 inches long. And I think you need at least a 90-degree swing on it to get it so it'll lock down. But I hope this was a useful tip, and like and subscribe. And I will have a link to this and the wire in the description. And I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do click on it and buy it, I will get a little kickback from it at no cost to you. It'll help me get this thing done maybe. But I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video.